Good evening, dears. I hope everyone's good understand what did you do in your question paper through your assignments. Even I just revise your question paper now. When you attend this class, you have to sit with your question paper and your assignments. Okay? Okay, let's enter. First, section A, reading comprehension. It's mean you have to read this passage more than one or two times because you have to read till you understand. That's important. If you understand, you can write your answers very clearly and then without any mistakes. That's why I'm saying you have to read more than one or two times. First one, read the following passage and write the answers. Now I just read. Hair varies widely in type, texture, color, and length between races and between individuals of the same race. Even on the body of the person, the hair varies. A single healthy human head carries nothing less than 1 lakh hairs and grows at the rate of 0.35 millimeters per day. The rate of growth, however, varies with sex and age and grows faster between the ages of 15 and 30. Although hair grows faster when the weather is warm, there is no basis to believe that shaving or cutting quickens hair growth. Should you lose between 50 and 100 hairs per day, there is no need to be alarmed. The loss is normal. The strongest hair is a single strand of mongoloid hair, which has a breaking strain of 160 grams. Hair is also known for its tuberosity. Even after 3000 years, hair on the head of the mummified body of Ramesses II of Egypt showed no signs of decay. Literature all over the world contains references to hair as being second only to eyes as a physical attribute and praises by lovers and writers. One of the most known poem about hair in the English language is The Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. The average length to which hair can grow in a lifetime, if left uncut, is 55 to 70 centimeters. Though women have longer hair than men, the world record for longest hair is held by a man. He was Swami Bhadra Sannadi of Tamil Nadu, South India, who in 1949 was reported as having hair 26 feet long. Now you want to come to the questions. First one, complete the following table. That's first column and has, second column is characteristics. First question is number of hairs of human body. If you have any doubt of that, means you have to come above the passage. That's above 1 lakh. That answer. Next, second one, rate of growth of hairs. That's 0.35 millimeters. That's the answer. Next, third one, lifespan of hairs of mummified body. That is 3000 years. That is 3000 years. Next, second question, write true or false. Hair dies with the death of man. Is it true or false? It's a false one. Next, hair on the mummy is so on decline. It's true. Third one, the world record for longest hair is held by man. Yeah, it's also true. Next, third one, write the following questions. Who wrote The Rape of the Lock? By Alexander Pope. Next, which two parts of human body are generally prized by the poets and writers? Eyes and hairs. Next, third one, when should a person worry at the loss of hair? If we lose 30 to 50 and 100 hairs per day, there is no need to be alarmed. The answer is 15 and 100 hairs per day we lose means there is no need to be alarmed. Next, section B, writing. First one is Roman letter 1, choose the best answer. That's first question is who asked three questions? Who asked three questions? Option A, king. Option B, hermit. Option C, wise man. The correct answer is option A, king. King asked three questions to the wise men. Next, second question is what is the third question the king asked? Option A, what is the most important thing for him to do? Option B, what is the right time to begin something? And option C, which people should he listen to? The Correct answer is option A. What is the most important thing for him to do? Next, third question. Who said the answer to the king? Option A. Hermit. Option B. Wise man. Option C. Experience. The correct answer is option C. Experience. Next, fourth question is what is the correct phrase for the following sentence? During the movie, we were quiet. The movie we were quiet means there is no meaning. During the movie, we were quiet. So, during means preposition word. So, that is preposition phrase. Next, fifth one, which punctuation sign used to find the sentence complete? If we are using comma means it has some extra things we want to add. If we are using full stop means we can find out this sentence was completed. So which one is correct? Option B, full stop. Next, Roman letter 2. Complete the following sentence by adding the appropriate parts of the sentence given in the box. Already I have given the answers into the box. It's you have to choose only correct answer for the fill-ups. First question is many wise men answer the king's questions. But the answers were so varied but that the king was not satisfied. The first answers for the first question, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Next, second question is someone judges that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act the right time. Someone judges that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act the right time. Next, third question is someone else judges that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Third answer is and follow it strictly. Next, fourth question is the king requested the hermit to answer three questions. The king requested the hermit to answer three questions. Next, fifth question is the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. That's the answers. Next, Roman letter third, write the following questions. What were the hermit's answers to the three questions? I hope everyone did well. You have to write the answers of hermit's three questions. First answer is now. Whatever we want to do in a right time, that is now, because we couldn't find out the future what we want to do and then we couldn't catch the past, but the right time is now. Next, the right person is who is opponent of us, that is the right person in the moment. Next one is which one is important business in our life means that is our good one. If we are good to others means that is main business. Next, second question is match items in list A with the meaning in list B. That's wounded mean severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Forgive. Forgive means feel sorry for. Faithful, loyal, pity, burden. Bits. Bits means small patches of ground for plants. Return, give back. Next, third question is did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? Did wise men win the reward? No, because more wise men are giving lot of advice to king, but no one answer give the satisfaction to the king. So the wise men is not getting the reward. So next fourth question is write the braces name to the each following sentence. Under the sink there were sponges. Under is a preposition. So this is a preposition brace. Next, she has been sleeping for 2 hours. She has been sleeping for 2 hours. Has been sleeping. This is verb. So this is verb brace. Next, fifth one, write the punctuate to following sentence. I don't do again. I already caps, and don't. Not means spelling is NOT. So O is not there. So we had to put the apostrophe instead of O. So apostrophe is missing. If you put the apostrophe there means definitely it will be correct. Next, shut the door. Shut the door is a command. So it's completed. So end of the sentence you have to put the full stop. Next, write the following questions. What were the hermit's answers to three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? You have to write three answers and which answers is you like most and why. You have to write the answers for these questions. And second one, write the following passage with punctuate. First, I just read. Next, I will tell the corrections. Traveling teaches us better than books. We understand better by seeing the things around us. Traveling enriches us with practical experience. It is only the traveling which has brought about civilization in this world. Traveling brings us close to people whose ways of life are completely different from us. It also promotes universal brotherhood between people of different states, languages, colors, and taste. Our mind and body are refreshed when we visit places of natural beauty. The dense forests, waterfalls, rivers, animals, gardens, and flowers brings us close to Mother Nature. While traveling, nature becomes our teacher. Now I will tell where you want to put the punctuate. Traveling teaches us better than books. After the books, we can see V. V is the W is in caps. So before caps means that sentence was finished. So after the books, we are supposed to be put the full stop. Next, we understand better by actually seeing the things around us. Around us is a finish. That sentence was completed. So after we started the sentence means is supposed to be start in a caps. So traveling, it's a T you supposed to be put in a caps. Traveling enriches us with practical experience. It. It is start on a caps. So before it, we want to put the full stop. It is only the traveling which has brought about civilization in this world. So world is completed that sentence. So end of the world we have to put the full stop. Next, traveling brings us close to people whose ways of life are completely different from us. It also promotes universal brotherhood between people of different states, language, colors, and taste. Between the states and languages, we have to put the commas. Between the states, languages, colors, we have to put the commas. Next, our mind and body are refreshed when we visit places of natural beauty. Natural beauty, it's completed sentence. So after the beauty, we have to put the full stop. Next, the dense forest, waterfalls, rivers, animals, gardens, and flowers bring us close to Mother Nature. Between the dense forest, waterfalls, rivers, animals, gardens, you have to put the full stop. Not sorry, dears, comma. Okay, because they are all proper noun. Next, while traveling, nature becomes our teacher. This sentence was completed. So, end of the sentence, we have to put the full stop. Next, Roman letter 5. Write the following question by your own words. That question is, if you were a king, how to rule this country? What are the problems running in our country and how to solve that? This is a question you have to write more than 150 words. Okay? I hope everyone did your exams well. So, thanks for watching this video. Bye, dears.